How to fix we restrict certain activity on Instagram. Firstly, you have to install the Instagram app in your Android by the Play Store. Then open the Instagram app in your Android. Make sure that you are using the latest version of the Instagram app. Then click on the Instagram app. Then click on the profile icon of your Instagram app. Then click on the three lines on the right of the corner. Then after scrolling, you see the option of help. Click on the help. Before this, make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully and avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Now click on report a problem. Shake your phone and click on report a problem. Click on include and now explain your problem, write your problem here and send them. So that was all. You can do this on your Android as well as in your iPhone. I hope that you have found value in this video. Also, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribe to our channel for more valuable contents in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thank you so much.